Amazing grass, organic amazing protein, glow, wild berry hibiscus, 11.6 ounces, 330 grams. Product overview description. Glow from within, your plant-based answer to collagen. 15 grams protein, 100% daily biotin, 90 calories, whole food dietary supplement, certified organic by CCOF. Organic is non-GMO and more, supports healthy skin, supports recovery and repair. Nourishing energy, gluten-free, no sugar added, plant-based, non-GMO. Crafted with energizing plant-based proteins and reviving antioxidants, superfoods to enhance natural radiance. Awaken full body radiance with amazing protein glow. Supports collagen synthesis. With vitamin C from organic acerola cherries. Promote the appearance of glowing skin. With organic B complex vitamins. Help maintain healthy hair, skin and nails. With 100% DV plant-based biotin and B complex vitamins. Support lean muscle recovery and repair. With 15 grams plant-based protein from organic pea and organic brown rice. Support full body range. With organic rose petal. Amazing protein, wild berry hibiscus. Our latest amazing nutrition powder is crafted with organic plant-based protein, antioxidant-rich superfoods and alkalizing greens grown on our family farm in Kansas. With 15 grams protein, plant-derived B complex and C vitamins and plus 100% DV biotin, it's a delicious, convenient way to support healthy, nourished skin and full body radiance so you can look and feel amazing every day. Rose petal, source of phytonutrients. Acerola cherry, supplies vitamin C. Guava, rich in thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. Holy basil, adaptogenic herb. Lemon, folate containing. Farm family roots. We organic grow and harvest the most nutrient-rich greens on our family farm in Kansas and craft them with the highest quality plant-based ingredients curated from like-minded farmers around the world. Honestly grown. Thoughtfully harvested. Simply enjoyed. Not a low-calorie food. Suggested use. Add 1 scoop with 8 fluid ounces or more of water, milk or smoothie. Other ingredients. Organic protein blend, pea protein, brown rice protein, natural flavor, organic beetroot, organic stevia extract, pitcha fruit, organic acacia gum, organic acerola cherry, origin bees, organic B complex blend, guava, holy basil, lemon peel extract, organic hibiscus flower, xanthan gum, organic monk fruit extract, organic green blend, wheatgrass, kale, origin bio-organic biotin, from sesbania leaf, organic rose petal. 95% organic ingredients. Warnings. Best kept in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.